It started like any other dream. The night was still and quiet. Darius could feel something watching over him. A light began to glow through the window. Soft and warm, unlike anything he'd ever seen before. He didn't know it yet, but this dream wasn't a dream at all. It was a warning. A message from heaven, meant to wake the sleeping soul. The light grew stronger. Darius shielded his eyes, trembling. It felt alive, warm and full of power. Something deep inside him knew this wasn't a dream. He could sense a presence, holy, near. A voice whispered, not from the air, but from his spirit. Darius, wake up. The hour has come. He felt something stirring deep within him. A presence that reached beyond the dream. The room filled with a light unlike any he had ever seen. His fear melted away, replaced by awe. The voice came softly, yet with power that shook his soul. Awake, Darius. The hour is near. He stood trembling, eyes wide open, and the light grew brighter still. He could feel his heart pounding, not from fear, but from recognition. Somehow, he knew this light wasn't a dream. It wasn't the rising sun or a passing car. This was different, holy, alive. Every shadow in the room bowed before it. He couldn't explain it, but deep inside he knew. Something, or someone, was calling his name. Darius. The sound wasn't loud, but it was undeniable. It filled the air like a whisper and thunder all at once. And in that moment he realized he wasn't alone. The light pulled him forward, not with force, but with love. Each step felt lighter than the last. The air itself shimmered, alive with peace. He had never seen colors like these before, as if heaven itself had painted them in motion. And then, through the glow, he saw a figure. Not a vision, not imagination, but a presence. The one he'd heard about all his life. Now standing before him, waiting. Darius didn't need to ask who it was. Every part of him already knew. He couldn't speak, only kneel. Every worry, every question, every fear fell away in that light. He was no longer dreaming. He was home. And the voice that spoke was no longer distant. It was near, personal, full of love. Darius, I have called you by name. You are mine. Tears streamed down his face, not of sorrow, but of release. All the striving, all the doubt, all the running. Over. He was finally where he belonged, face to face with the Savior.